Okay, first we go to www.kingtops.enterprise.com.ng. Let it load. Don't forget to accept the cookies. Okay, the page is not yet fully loaded, but as you can see, we're good to go. So we have the beginner, intermediate, and expert tier courses. So once you tap here, you go and see all the courses in the beginner tier. So you see the video editing beginner tier, social media manager beginner tier. All of them are already sorted out once you click here, and these ones are 3 month courses, so you will see them all listed. So now the page is done loading. First thing we do is sign up now. You have to sign up, create an account. So I'm going to skip this part. Once you put your first name, your last name, your username, email, password, and confirm, and then you register. Once you're done, your account is already created. Don't lose your password, please. Then now we can log in. You got to log in once you've created an account. So now you enter your username or email and password. I'm just going to log in now. So now you're logged into your dashboard. So currently I've enrolled 4 courses. I've completed 1 course and 4 courses are still active. You can see mobile video editing, which is CapCut tier 1, which lasts for 1 month. Then expert mobile video editing tier, the month 1, which costs 30,000 naira. Then other courses. So now I'm going to teach you how to buy or purchase a course and start learning. So now we're in the courses page, and now you can see the list of courses we have: mobile video editing beginner tier, mobile video editing expert tier, and mobile editing expert tier month 2. Remember, 3 months course, 3 months. So month 1, month 2, and month 3. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. And now let me pick one that I'm 100% sure I have not paid for, to show you people how to pay for a course and get your name registered in our database. So now you pick the course. Okay, I want to learn mobile social media management tier 1. I add to cart. So now social media management intermediate tier month 1 has been added to my cart. Here you can see more details. You can see. So now I head over to my cart up here. This is for laptop users, but on phone you should see the drop down menu. Head over to the cart, and boom. Oh, this one shouldn't be here. We delete this one. It's just this one we want to pay for. So now you've selected the course you want to learn. You now proceed to check out. Now here is your contact info with your billing address, where you fill your name, your first name, address, every other thing and all that. And so before you can make payment. So now we have cash on delivery, which is highly not recommended unless you paid us with cash physically. and then we'll have to confirm your payments manually. If you have not given us cash and you pick this option, your order will wait forever and it will never be approved until you give us cash. We have the direct bank transfer where you transfer to a personal bank account, and this also takes long because once you transfer, it will take time before we confirm it. So the fastest way is this debit and credit cards option, but don't worry, it's not on debit and credit cards. You can also make bank transfer here, so just select. You can save information to my account for future purposes or not. You can just leave it anyone. Now place your order. Now Paystack has loaded, so you can now pay with Zap. You can pay with your card, input your card information and pay. You can transfer to a bank account like this, transfer. Then once you're done, I've sent the money, then your payment has gone through immediately. You can select a particular bank you want to use and pay. You can use USSD with guarantee, Trust Bank. You can use OPay, and then once you're done with this payment, your order is good to go. I will not be doing this now because I've already paid for a lot of orders and I do not want to pay for another course that I'm not ready for. Then I'll do another video for our affiliate program for those that want to earn money by referring people. I'll do another video like that.